What's going on, YouTube? It's Chuck back with Chuck's Hobby Spot. Well, I made a little bit more progress on my little coffin. It's kind of not the little coffin anymore. It's more like the Pink Panther, huh? So I debated whether to get rid of the skeleton and put maybe a Pink Panther on here. That would have been kind of cool. So I'm kind of debating whether to do that or not. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If I need to put the skeleton there or maybe put a Pink Panther there, I think it'd be kind of cool too. So I just got the clear coat on here last night, so it's been about 24 hours. I put the flake. What I did with this is I did it like I mixed a pearl white and the original color I used with this. So it has two colors. Let me show you here. Has this one and this one here. So just a sec, bear with me. So I have the gold base underneath it, which it's the gold House of Color base over the whole car. Every part had that in there. Then I sprayed over it with this, which you really didn't need it, but I thought I was going to use gold accents, and I found out that this looked a little bit better because I had the whole car painted once and I had the mast off and pulled the stripes off, and it had real nice gold stripes, but it just didn't look quite right. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and shoot this back over it and make it this color again. And I mixed these two colors, and I got like a real, like maybe like a light pink, and which I liked it for the roof. And I'll put a picture up about right here of what that looked like. So, and then what I did was I took and mixed the clear. I mixed two sets of clear. I mixed one that was regular, just plain clear, 2K, and then I took and I poured a little bit in another cup, and I mixed my flake in with another bit. So I just shot the roof with its own clear with flake in it, and you can't really even tell. It dances like in person you can see it like dances, but you can't tell on video. It's just too bad, you know. See, you can start to see it like right there. Yeah, you just can't see it on video. It's kind of, it sucks that you can't see it on video, but it's got real big purple flakes in there. You can see it, and it just kind of glimmers, but I don't know why it doesn't do it on video. It's kind of weird. So I have not cut and polished any of this yet. I barely have to do anything to this body here. I mean, it came out really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and sand this because it's pretty smooth, but it's not perfect. And then I'm gonna shoot another coat of clear, maybe 2 coats of clear on it, and I'll let that sit up for another couple days, and I'll wet sand it, buff it out, and call it a day. So, but I think the paint and the clear was a success. So I just stripped the bumpers on here, the bumper and the rear inserts, and I'll go ahead and primer those, and then I'll shoot a gloss black, and then I'll put some chrome on there, and I'm gonna strip some more chrome. So I'm gonna start clipping this off and strip some more chrome and re-chrome that myself. We're gonna get back on this Nova too pretty soon, so this is going to be another project we're going to be doing too. So, but pretty soon, I think tomorrow, I might go buy some Citadel paints. I might build a Warhammer figure here and there on the channel. I hope you guys don't mind that I'm going to do a little bit of Warhammer. I'm not going to get crazy into it. I really like the art that goes behind the Warhammer. And sometimes I just like doing Bandai kits, you know, that just while I wait for paint to dry. It's kind of, you guys should try it. It's really kind of relaxing. You know, all this stuff is a lot of cutting and sanding and this and that, but sometimes it's nice to build something like James Tester would say from Scale Model Experiment. Sometimes it's just nice to build a box stock model, and that's kind of what Bandai is to me. So I'm gonna do, you know, I've said it before, and I'm gonna say it again. I'm gonna spread my channel out a little bit and do some other stuff and try to learn other stuff on the channel. But with this interior, what I did was this was kind of like the pink that was on the roof. That's a good way to show you that. But this has got some texture in it from, you know, material. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the headrest chrome, and I'll have a bunch of chrome accents on here on inside the interior, because it's kind of a custom car. So, and I'll paint these little inserts here chrome. I'll re-chrome the headlights on there. It's gonna look pretty cool. The pipes will come through the side, like I re-drilled them to go like that. So yeah, we're making some progress on here. But I don't know if you guys remember the Nova here. I actually kind of cut and polished it. I probably got to do a little bit more polishing on it. And I went and I got two hoods. I get the original hood, and then I went and did a cowl hood for it. Man, it's dusty, huh? This thing, that's how long this thing's been sitting. I was like, man, the paint got messed up, but it didn't. It's all good. So I went ahead and got a cowl hood, and then it's gonna have these on here. These are Zimmerman wheels. I really think this will set it off. This is gonna be something. I really want to finish this car, so the more I look at it now, I pulled it out. It's pretty nice. What am I thinking? This is what I'm thinking. But there's gonna be a lot of cool stuff this year on this channel. I gotta get Zayden back on here. He's been bugging me to build a couple more kits, and he's getting at that age to where he's starting to get more interested in it. So I can't wait. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going on here. Not that I'm trying to put out at least a video a week, so I'm watching all your guys' stuff and like what I see, you guys. So, well, that's all I got for today. So I don't know why you guys watch this crap, but I'm thankful that you do. Don't forget to comment, like, and sub to my channel. That'd be great. Spread the word a little bit. I need to get a few more watch hours. Maybe hit binge watching on your when you guys are building or something to help me out to get a few more 100 hours. But whatever. But I'm babbling on. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video with that, and hope you guys like what you see, because I'm kind of getting excited. So take care. I'll see you maybe again this weekend. Bye, guys.